Hi, and welcome to a surprise unboxing, and this is a true surprise. I came home last night and this was sitting at my door. I have not ordered any orchids so far this year. I'm actually on a spending freeze right now, and I have no idea where these came from, so if someone sent them, thank you. I'm not sure where they came from, but you know what? They're here. Let's see what's inside. They have been sitting open since last night. I did count. There's 5 in here. There's this one and then those 4. So I'm going to take them all out of the box first. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful Friday. I went and got an oil change today. Daughter had a little bit of an emergency. She forgot to register her new vehicle with the HOA. It got towed. My other daughter had to go and take her to go pick it up. It's just been such a fun Friday already. Box down there, and I did bring my Honda scissors so we can just cut the paper instead of ripping it. So as you can see, we have 5 lovely little orchids here. So we're just going to start with this one here and see what we got. I've been dying to get into these, guys. I wanted to get into these last night, but I knew they needed to acclimate. So the universe knew what it was doing. Because I also had to go last night and help my daughter. Her dog completely tore up her house. I'll post a picture of so you can get an idea of what we had to deal with. All right, well, it looks like a Cattleya. And these are from Krull Smith, guys. So I don't know if you guys have ever ordered from them, but I have in the past, and they're actually a really great company. So this is RTH Pure Love. There's that. So let's just dig in and see what we've got going on here. Looks like they're probably all seedlings because they're all in the same size pot. So they're probably all seedlings, which is good. This way they can grow and mature here. I find that sometimes certain seedlings do better. Oh, I almost messed that up there. There we go. That was in between there. So what do we have? Ah, nice. Looks like it might be a compact one. I'll have to do a little bit of reading up on these. Lovely roots. Nice little plant there. And as you can see, it's growing from here and it's going that way. I like those little bulbs. Looks like it's a climber too. Look at that. That one right there back there. Look at it climbing up there. That might be a mount candidate then if it's going to be a climber. I'll have to keep an eye out and see what we've got going on there. Anybody else like I bought these? Has anyone purchased any orchids so far this year of 2024? And if so, what'd you get? Where'd you get it from? Was it a replacement? All right, so this one is RLC, and these are all Cattleya, regardless of if it's RTH, RLC, BC, LC, any of those, okay? RLC Marks Valentine. Ooh. That sounds like, oh, this one has an absolute definite new growth that we can see on it. Show you guys here in just a second. Packaged really nicely. We have this beautiful new growth right here coming right along. And the bark, yeah, everything smells nice. So I will be leaving them in their little containers. I'm not going to do what I normally do back in the good old days, was repot a brand new acquisition right away unless it needed it. And so far, these two look pretty good. I love the little bulby thing. I love the shape of these. Wonder how big that one's going to get. Again, we'll have to do a little bit of research. I thought there was another new growth right there, but there's not. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, it is. Look at that. You see it? Right here by my finger. We have another growth. So she's got 2 directions of growth. We've got one here and here. That's nice. Very nice. Outside of Phalaenopsis, Cattleya are my second favorite genre of orchid, although some of them are a little, you know, divas. Let's see if I can just put, ooh, this one's a little bit bigger than the other 2. So this is RTH Volcano Prince. Looks like this is the latest growth here. Let's look inside and see if we can find some other stuff. And while I am doing this, go ahead and comment below, what is your favorite orchid to grow? It may not be your favorite orchid overall, but what do you find is your favorite orchid to grow? Like which orchid does the best for you? So this one I'll probably add a little bit of more media right in here, just so as the new roots that are expected on our new growth can go down into the media and not do a lot of aerial. So this one I may need to repot, reposition once those new roots start growing. It is a monofoliate, so I could do it now if I wanted to, but I don't want to. I'm going to wait for those new roots. I have learned my lesson in the past. So there's that one. Again, nice little plant there. What do we have for contestant number 3? Nope, contestant number 4. Will you please step out from behind the paper and reveal yourself? Dun da da da. This is, I can't tell what the cross is, but it's a Jupiter Drops. So I'll have to look up Jupiter Drops and see what that front portion is there. It is a nice little tiny seedling. Healthy looking. Oh, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 2 growths that are finishing off and then 2 fresh ones. Hold on, let me see. Let me see what we got. I think new Cattleya bulbs look like either a bright, shiny Granny Smith apple or a grape. Oh, and we have another, is that a new growth? Nope, that is a root that. But here's what I was showing you guys. So these 2 in the middle are finishing off. And then we have a new growth here. And where did I see the other new growth? Oh, and then this one is a little further along. That is spectacular. That's a pretty vigorous orchid there. Nice, nice. And it looks like she's growing kind of that way. Yeah, we'll probably have to leave her too. I was thinking with this one right here, she grows another one growing out of the pot. We'll have to wait and see. But definitely no repotting or anything, at least for a few weeks while they get acclimated. And I will be leaving them kind of in front of this window for the next few days just so they can kind of acclimate, get their lighting together. And then I will give them a much brighter light under the Barina grow lights. I'm going to have to do some rearranging to make some space. All right, and last but definitely not least is this beaut here that looks like, off first glance, we have 2 new growths coming. Oh, this is RTH. What about love? What about it? I like these names. They're kind of cute little names. They're all very cute names. All right, and let's see what she looks like under the paper here. And they will all be getting a welcome cocktail of some CalMag. I'm not going to give any seaweed, I don't think. I haven't quite decided that. CalMag definitely at about 100 parts per million. But look, those are the 2 new growths. This one is almost ready because it's hardening off. This one is still fresh. Anthocyanin on there. Lovely, lovely. All right, well, what about love? What about it? All right, well, whoever sent me these and gifted these to me, I appreciate it. I don't know if it was one of you guys or someone in my life that doesn't watch YouTube but knows I have a channel. Whatever the case, here are the lovelies, and they will be soaking in here in their welcome cocktail. Again, let me know, what is your favorite orchid to grow? Not necessarily your favorite orchid, but what's your favorite orchid to grow? And do you have any of these? And can you give me any tips or maybe, hint about the flowers? Because I'm debating on whether I want to go check out and see what the flowers look like. The one that doesn't have, a little bit of fuzz there, the one that doesn't have, this Jupiter Drops, it looks like it's BRT maybe, I'm not sure, but I will have to go check on this one. So obviously I'll see the blooms on that one because I want to know what the beginning part is. But other than that, I might not go check out, and we'll just all be surprised together. I hope you guys enjoy your Friday. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you later.